Hi guys, happy new year, happy 2022, and I hope you guys had an amazing new year celebration, even if it was just cozying up in your blanket and reading a book that you like. This year, I'm just planning to focus on my health and my mental well being. And as I'm getting my sleeve gastrectomy done this month, hopefully, obviously gonna focus on weight loss and changing my diet routines and changing my entire daily routines and working out more, which is basically just walking for me because of my degeneration. But I'm just planning to better my spine condition as well. So it's going to be more about health for me this year, along with reading amazing books because I am planning to read 150 books this year, which is obviously a lot, but let's see. I've prepared a small book report or an analysis for What to Say When You Talk to Yourself by Shad Halmstetter. So I'm planning to share that in the coming week, and I'm also planning to read according to RMFAO's genre, which I usually do, but last year was kind of not great for me reading wise according to genres, but this year I'm planning to work on it. So this year at RMFAO we have amazing 6 reading challenges. 2 of them are new. Out of those, one of them we had last year, but it took us a while to get into its rhythm. So I am really looking forward to complete those reading challenges. So at RMFAO, my Goodreads book club, we have 6 challenges this year. Genre challenge, in which we have a separate genre every month, a different genre every month, and sometimes we even have options of 2 genres. Then we have classics catch up. All the books written prior to the year 1960 are all considered as classics. Then we have a series challenge, in which we try to complete book series. Then we have audiobook challenge. In audiobooks, we count the number of audiobooks that we are reading. So we try and listen to more of audiobooks than ebooks and paperbacks. Then we have author alphabet challenge. This is the challenge that was introduced last year, and we are continuing it this year because we all loved it so much. So for author alphabet challenge, you have to begin with any book. Like, you can begin with any book, and then the next book's author name should start with the first letter of the last name of the author by the book that you have just finished. Maybe it'll make more sense when you'll go on the RMFAO thread and read about this challenge. The next challenge is a new challenge, which is the theme link challenge. This challenge is a bit complicated, but we all are up for good complicated challenges. Otherwise, where's the fun? In this challenge, you can begin with any book of your choice, and then the next book should have a same theme with the first book that you read, and then the third book should have some linking theme with the second book. The fourth book should have some linking theme with the third book. So once you read 4 books, that would be counted as one run. Now you can continue with the same run, or you can begin a new run, but all the runs reset at the quarter of the year. So every 3 months the runs will be resetted, and then we'll be beginning afresh. So this is a complicated challenge, but it is a reading challenge after all, so it has to be challenging, right? And I'm really looking forward to this one, and the author alphabet challenge, along with the genre challenge, and also the classics catch up challenge, and the audiobook challenge, and the series challenge. Oh my god. Yes, so I've just made a lot of book lists, which I will be sharing with you all. So that's it. I'll see you all next week. I have my French exam on 15th, so I'll be preparing I'll most probably be preparing for it, but I'll still try and check in next week. I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year once again, and I hope that you all will be able to complete the tasks that you were not able to finish last year, because it is okay to fall behind on your schedules and fall behind on your plans, and it's okay to just relax and take some time out to unpack and to reset yourself. So I hope you all have a great and a wonderful 2022. Bye.